Guys, here we are back for another backpack camping adventure. I got my camp set up over there, halfway set up. But I got here, before I even set anything up, grab my pole, cast it out right in front of camp, no luck. So I move up a little bit to the next hole, about 5 casts in, bam, I got hammered by this big old buck. Some people are gonna be mad I'm keeping this fish, but I'm looking to put some on the smoker. So I hooked into this bad boy. Whew, if I could hold it. I hooked into this thing. Look at that big old kype jaw. It's a beautiful fish. I feel bad keeping it, but I really want to smoke some fish. We got trout camp coming up in a couple weeks. And yeah, I want to smoke some steelhead. Slice and dice a little bit, but now that I got that one, I gotta get back out there. So let's go. Go back over here, find my fishing pole where I left it when I caught that fish, because I was just too excited. And I didn't have no camera going because I was like, let's just test the waters. And you know, of course, you know how any YouTuber or anybody that watches enough YouTube knows, as soon as you don't have the camera on, you get hammered. That's exactly what happened. Here we go again. This time I got my waders on. I had to take my shoe and socks off so I could step into the water. Here we go. Let's see if we can get one on camera now. Oh, don't look at that spot. Let's walk up here, down around the corner, see what we can get happening. Yee. Oh, thought that was a fish. Fish on, baby. There we go. What we got? Just a brown. Just like a brown. Settle down, little fella. Settle down. Let's go, though. Fish on. The water's a little bit fast right here. Don't really have a good spot to land him. This is exactly why we brought the net. Can't keep browns right now, so we don't even have to. Ooh. Oh, this is a pretty nice one. Pretty nice one. Let's get him in there. Let's go. He hammered it. Sweet, that's a nice brown. I'm not gonna take it out of the net. He looks like he swallowed the hook, which kind of upsets me. I hope I can get it out of there. I may have to take it to shore to do some surgery. You get a closer look. Oh, maybe not. Looks like he's barely hooked in there. It came right out. Look at that. Nice. Good deal. That's what you want. Well, guys, like I said, I'm not going to take him out of the net or even hardly out of the water. There's a good look there. They're released. Bye, girl. See you in a couple weeks. Let's go. Got me all pumped up today. Nice steelhead, nice brown. Shoot. Let's go. Oh, dude, that was great. Stinking love it. Nothing like catching a nice fish on a nice day like today. It's like 40-some degrees out. I got just a long sleeve shirt on. Oh, that's bottom. Phew. I thought that was like an anchor or something. 30-incher. Dude, that was sick. I wish I would have got the steelhead on for you guys on video. Can't win them all. That was a nice brown though. There's 17, 18 inches. Beautiful looking fish. Fish on. Woo! That's another brown. That's another nice brown. That's another nice brown. Stay down, stay down. Stay down. Going just crazy over here. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Smashing them. Hell yeah, there's another thick 15 to 17 incher. Once again, we're not even going to get it out of the net because you can't keep it, so. Didn't swallow the hook this time. Boom, hook out. Once again, we'll get a good look at her as best as we can. Yeah, nice brown. That one looks like it's getting a little bit of a tight jaw. That one's a buck. Let's let it go. See you later, fella. Bye, buddy. See you in a couple weeks. Dude, that was sick again. Again. Let's go. That was so sick. Let's try that cast again. He just hammered that purple blue fox. I know, it's confusing. It confuses me. It's hard to even say. A purple blue fox. Oh, that guy, the one just jumped right there. He just gave himself away. Let's see if we can get him. Oh, one jumped over there. They're jumping all around me. And right now. Ooh. Oh, I was a second late. Bam, I called that one. That one I even called out. It's another brown, but when you call it out like that. Dude. There's one jumping right over there behind those trees too in the water. There he goes again over there. This one, he's hooked right at the mouth. Let's see if we don't even have to put it in the net. He gone. Let's go, another one. I'm gonna cast right up there behind that tree and see if. Now I'm having fun. He looks like a shiny little fella. Oh dang, I thought that was another one. I think why they're jumping out the water so much is the mayflies seem to be hatching a little early. Run it down, fella, run it down. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Fish on. Woohoo! Woo! Browns are on fire today. Chill out, buddy. Hey, 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 hey. You're going home, you're going home. See you, buddy. So thanks for playing. Hee 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 hee. Got him. If you flopped off, I wouldn't even care. Okay, fine, don't. I'll get you. Bye, little fella. Thanks for playing. I knew if I lobbed one in there, I could get one. Honestly, I almost thought it was a stick, but it wasn't. It was just a little baby guy. Fish on. Dude, today is like supposed to be feeding day because they ain't stopped biting. Another brownie. See you later, fella. Thanks for playing. Where's your daddy at? I'll take one about, I won't take him, but I'd like to catch one about 20. Come on. Come here. Hey. We're going over there. Are you coming? Come on. I'll carry you. Come here. You act like I never carried you across here before. Come on. Come here. I'm going this way. Come here. Come. Right here. Right here. Come on. You know I'm not going to be mean. You know I'm carrying you. You act like it's the first time. What a meanie head. I can leave you on this side or you can go with me. No. No. Good boy. Good boy. See? See, I took away. See? You're a good boy. Here we are back at camp. Got me a fire going. Got a tarp all up. It's looking nice. It's supposed to rain in the morning. So hopefully it's really light in the morning and I can sneak out of here before it gets too heavy. We'll see. We got Axie boy. He's just chilling. What you doing, boy? What you doing? Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Doesn't like the smoke in his eyes. And so we're done fishing for the night, and well, we got some my chili I made the other day. We're gonna get it on the fire, get something to eat, hang out and relax. We'll catch you guys in a little bit. Got my chili all nice and warmed up. Oh, steaming, look at that. This is gonna be so good. Yum. After spending the day out here, this is a great way to fill your stomach at the end of the day. Can't have chili without crackers. It's like against the law or something, ain't it? Cracker, chili. I don't know if I like that. I better try it again. Cracker, chili, Yep, I liked it. Out here relaxing, fishing, camping, hanging out with my best friend, my dog. Where you at? This guy right here, see, he's over here thinking he's gonna get some chili. Good break to him, but he ain't. Well, I'm gonna hang out by the fire here, relax for the night. I'll check in with you guys before bed unless something cool happens. Turns out nothing exciting happened. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to see me smoke that steelhead I caught, subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next one.